Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review video on this Amazon wig company called Sunber hair. So if you want to know what I think about it and the specs on this wig, then please keep on watching. But before we get on with the video, don't forget to subscribe and push your bell notifications to notify you whenever I upload a new video. And if you want to follow me on any of the social medias, I'll have that floating somewhere on the screen as well as a link down below the description box. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. So before I start this video, I would like to say that I did get sent this wig for free for a review, but they are not paying me. So every opinion, everything that I say in this video is my honest opinion, and I will not be sugarcoating anything because y'all know me and wigs. I will tell you if something's wrong with it, something's wrong with it, alright? But anyways, so this company, they're called Sunber Hair, and you can get this wig on an Amazon listing. I will have a link to this exact wig down below in the description box if you are curious and you want to get it for yourself. So basically, this is a little different than a normal wig. This is what I think it's really popular right now, but this is called a headband wig. So basically, you put it on and it has like a built-in headband on the top, so you can like just put it on like a hat and then you're out the freaking door. You don't gotta deal with glue, you don't gotta deal with like, you know, freeze hairspray, you don't gotta deal with lace, you don't gotta deal with none of that. Nothing. Just put it on and go. Alright? So this wig that I got, it's kind of like a Brazilian body wave. I don't remember the exact name for this listing. I will have that floating somewhere around here, the name of the wig, if you guys are curious. But I got this 20-inch wig. Now, a lot of other listings on Amazon for this type of headband wig is usually synthetic, but this one is a real haired wig, human haired wig. So if you wanted to look even more realistic, girl, look no further. All right, so I did kind of already take it out of the bag once, and let me just tell you, I really like it. I really love it. Very, very soft. This is 20 inches. Hello. And it does have the ombre, and unlike the previous wig review that I've done, it actually looks exactly like the pictures. What is it? The ombre starts exactly where it's supposed to. You know, no tea, no shade. But yeah. So I will say though, it has like, okay, so I don't know that much about hair, so I don't know if this is called layers or filler hair, but it does have a little bit of like, you know, short strands up here, but it's not like crazy. And when I put my fingers through it, because it's a body wave, it does tangle a little bit, but it has very minimal shedding, like very minimal. So this is kind of what it looks like. Obviously, so this is your headband part that's connected to the wig, so obviously you put it on there, and it has a velcro. So it's kind of like, you know how they have like those fake ponytails that you put on your hair or your bun to get a high ponytail, and it's like velcro. It's like the same deal, but for like your whole head. So this is what the inside looks like. It has like the 3 clips, don't mind my nails, but and then the headband, and then you got the 2 bottom pieces of here that velcros on the back towards the back of your neck. So it's secure and it ain't going nowhere. Like if you need a wig to go down the street to Safeway, to Fred Meyer, to Target, instead of putting on your bonnet, instead of, you know, going out looking ratchet, put this on. Put this on, okay? So anyways, so obviously I'm going to try this on for you. It's very easy, but I would like to show you what else comes with the wig. So not only does it have like a built-in headband, this also came with 2 headbands, 2 colorful headbands. Now I don't know if every person gets the same type of headband or same like print of headbands. I don't know. You don't get to choose on the Amazon listing. It's just, you know, you just pick the hair and then it comes to you, and then you're just dealt with the headbands that are in the packaging. So I will show you the ones that I got. So this is the first headband that I got in there. So it's this beautiful like sky blue headband, and it has like these pink, kind of like a salmon color peonies and like a beige color peonies all around it, and it kind of does this like crisscross applesauce in the front like this, so you know, it gives it character. So basically you would put this on, and then you can even take your own headbands if you wanted to. You can literally take any headbands and just put it over your head and just cover the black headband part that's connected to the wig. I'll show it to you on, you know. But and then this is the other wig. Can I talk? This is the other headband that came in with the packaging. This one is very summery. It's very bright yellow, and it has like kind of like just like white daisies maybe. I don't know if it's daisies or if it's like just random ass flowers, but it's very summery. I feel like it's very cute. This also does like the crisscross applesauce kind of situation going on right here. I think they probably did that so it takes up more like surface area for the headband to cover it a little bit better. But yeah, so I got these two headbands in the packaging. You do get a nude wig cap, and then they also gave me eyelashes. So you know what, I was going to just put on the wig cap and the wig off camera, but I want to show you guys how easy it is to put this on. So I'm just gonna, you know, do it on the internet. I'm gonna show you guys what I look like bald headed with a wig cap. So let's do this. So easy peasy lemon squeezy to show you that anybody can do it. So I put my hair in a ponytail, and I'm gonna put this wig cap on. Like, you don't gotta make it perfect. Now I look like a swimmer. But look at that. Okay, so you put on the wig cap, right? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now, the wig. So now you're going to put this on like this, where the headband is. Okay. And then you grab the two Velcro pieces right here and right here. And then probably pull it down a little bit. Voila. And then just stick it right there, and you done. Look at that. And it's all done. It's all good. It's all like, you know, looks like, look at that. Like, sweetie, 2 seconds. That's how long it took. I don't even think it took 2 seconds. Like, I look like a 70s babe, you know? Like, look at that. It's like a completely new person. Looks amazing. So anyways, now that you see what it looks like, it doesn't feel like it's about to fall off my head. It's on there securely. It does have clips in here, so if you wanted to, you can, you know, like clip it into your head to even get it more secure. But honestly, even with me not doing that, it feels pretty secure. Like, I feel Gucci. Like, I can walk out that door and go to Safeway, to Fred Meyer, to wherever, you know. Like, it's good. And it's real hair. So if someone goes, ooh, your head looks nice, they touch it, they're like, ooh, that's real hair. You know, it's not synthetic or whatever. Nothing wrong with synthetic, but sometimes when you got real hair, just feels so good to just, you know, put your fingers through it. But anyways, so that's what it looks like. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Even with you being a beginner with wigs, this should be your first ever time putting on a wig. Like, this should be your first wig ever. Right here, right here. Okay, so I'm gonna try to put on one of these cute little headbands that they gave me to see how it looks. And look at that, I just literally just pulled it up. But let me put this on my head, trying to make sure I don't get it on my makeup. Wait, get it on my makeup? Get my makeup on it, that's what I meant. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. I look like a 70s chick right there. Look at that. Look how cute I look. Like, girl, 2 seconds, okay? And can you imagine? You can get whatever headband you want. Pink, glitter, blue, rainbow, because, you know, Pride Month. you can do whatever you want. And like, look, my hair is did. My hair is done. No fuss, no huss. Like, it's done. You guys, look at this. It actually, like, I can even like pull it up. Like, if you get a wig, that's not this color, but like black or closer to your hair color, you can even like pull this bitch up a little bit and show a little bit of your natural baby hairs. And because you have a freaking like headband covering it right here, it looks so natural, girl. Like, this is bomb. 2 seconds, you guys, and you have a full look. You can roll out of bed. Like, don't put on your whatever being like, oh, my hair is messed up, let me go to Safeway, but I don't want my hair out, so let me put on a hat, let me put on a wig. Get this. This is your hat, okay? And it looks like you tried a little bit harder than a hat, okay? Like, girl. This is amazing. So this is, again, I will say, this is Sunber hair. I got it on Amazon. This was 20 inches. But it's curled, so like obviously because it's real hair, you can even straighten this out and it'll go like past my boob. Actually, I kind of want to try that. I kind of want to straighten it out. That's one thing that, like, if you get synthetic hair, a lot of the times you probably won't be able to put too much heat on it, but this one, because it's real hair, you can still put on heat and like get all types of different looks, you know, with the headbands. But anyways, I got it on Amazon. This was not on Prime, I don't think. So it took, but even without it being on Prime, it came in within like less than a week. So that was good. But yeah, I really would recommend this. I really do like it. Very minimal shedding. The only thing is, again, like I said, is the back does have some like short haired pieces towards the top of the head, so you just got to make sure that you don't got no flyaways and just brush it down. But I don't think it looks bad. If anything, it makes it look even more natural, because who doesn't have chemically cut hair pieces? Because God knows I do. My real hair does. So that was everything that I wanted to say about this wig review. I hope you guys found it helpful and you liked the way that it looks. I mean, there's not much to say really. It's so simple, like, because there's no lace that you got to deal with, no gluing, no nothing, no plucking, no baby hairs that you got to worry about. Nudge, wink, wink, nudge, nudge. So that was everything that I wanted to say about this beautiful wig and this review. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it very helpful. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment down below what other videos would you like to see from me next, and I'll definitely get to filming that for you guys. But yeah, subscribe if you haven't already, and I cannot wait to see you guys next time.